Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is our next module number MECH underscore P underscore 016 underscore Resnick Holiday Gerald Walker statement. A fortnight is a charming English measure of time equal to 2.0 weeks. Within bracket, the word is a contraction of 14 nights. That is a nice amount of time in pleasant company, but perhaps a painful string of microseconds in unpleasant company. Okay, how many microseconds are in a fortnight? Dear students, the solution to this problem is very simple. Okay, what we have to do, we have just to convert 14 days into microseconds. Okay, so question is so easy that perhaps we can imagine that throughout this book, that is fundamentals of physics extended by Resnick Holiday Gerald Walker, this may be the easiest problem. Okay, but besides this easiest problem, there is a deep philosophy behind this statement. Dear students, according to this statement, moments of happiness are very easy to pass, and for measuring them larger scale like hours, days, weeks, months, years, etc. are usually used. But on the other hand, contrary to this happy condition, moments of pain or sorrow, may Allah keep all of us safe from any painful event. Okay, moments of sorrow or pain are very difficult to observe, and they are not passed easily. It appears as if perhaps time has stopped. Okay, that is why in the statement of this problem it is emphasized that moments of pleasure are appropriate to be measured in larger time scale like hours, days, weeks, months, years, etc. But moments of pain are appropriate to be measured on very small scale. Okay, dear students, we have various scales for time measurement like second, minute, hour, day, week, month, year, century, etc. On the other hand, there are also smaller scales like microsecond, nanosecond, etc. Okay, so this question is very easy. But in addition to solving this problem, we will also emphasize a little on the significance of microsecond and nanosecond. Okay, so now we come towards its solution. One fortnight equal to 2 weeks equal to 2 into 7 equal to 14 days is equal to 14 into 24 into 60 seconds is equal to 1209600 seconds. Now, if we convert these seconds into microseconds, we will have to multiply with 10 raised to the power 6, that is 1 million. Okay, because second is a much larger unit than microsecond. Okay, but on the other hand, if we have to convert microsecond into seconds, then reverse process will be carried on. Okay, so 129,600 seconds is equal to 12,096 triple zero 0000 microsecond. Okay, here by mistake microsecond has not been written with this figure, but it is understood because in its previous step it is written. Okay, 129,600 into 10 raised to the power 6 microseconds. This equality sign is by mistake. Okay, these are quite negligible mistakes. We do not need to revise this module. Okay, these negligible mistakes are neglected. Okay, this is equal to 12096000000 microsecond, which is alternatively equal to 1.2096 into 10 raised to the power 12 microsecond, which is alternatively equal to 1.21 into 10 raised to the power 12 microsecond. Because dear students, 1.2096 will be converted into 1.21. Okay, so this is the answer to this problem, that is 1.21 into 10 raised to the power 12 microsecond. Okay, this is the solution of this problem, that one fortnight, that is 2 weeks or 14 days, are equal to 1.21 into 10 raised to the power 12 microseconds. Okay, now we move on to next slide and discuss microsecond a little more. Okay, dear students, we know that 1 microsecond is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 6 second. On the other hand, if we consider 10 raised to the power plus 6 second, then it will be 1,000,000 second. Okay, which if we convert in hour will be equal to 1,000,000 over 3,600, because 60 into 60 is equal to 3,600. Okay, so 10 raised to the power plus seconds will be converted into 1,000,000 over 3,600 hour, which will be alternatively equal to 277.777777 hour. Okay, now if we convert these hours into days, we will have to divide it with 24, then it will be converted into days. Okay, so it will be converted into 11.5741 days. Okay, 11.5741 days, which will be alternatively equal to 11.6 days. Okay, here what we have emphasized, here we have emphasized that 1 million second is equal to 11.6 days. 11.6 days means that 11 days are complete and remaining 6 means more than half day. That is, half day is 12 hours. It is not 0.5, it is 0.6. It means 11 days and about 13 or 14 hours. Okay. So what we have emphasized that 1 million second is equal to 11.6 days. Now we come towards the microsecond. Dear students, microsecond and microgram can be discussed parallelly. Okay. On one side there is a gram, on the other side there is a kilogram and milligram. Similarly, on one side there is a ton, that is 1000 kilogram, and on the other side there is a microgram. Okay. In between there is gram, upper kilogram, lower milligram, and more upper ton and more lower microgram. Similarly, dear students, when we add 1 million seconds, then time duration increases from 1 second to 11.6 days. Okay. What I have said, on one side there is a time interval 1 second. If we add 1 million seconds, then this time duration increases from 1 second to 11.6 days. On the other hand, if we divide 1 second into equal 1 million parts, then each part is called a microsecond. Okay. What I have said, that in between there is a second, upper there are 11.6 days, and below there is a microsecond. Microsecond means 1 second has been divided into equal 1 million parts, and each part is 1 microsecond. On the upper side, we have said that when we have added 1 million seconds, then it has become 11.6 days. Okay. Dear students, we should make this comparison in order to understand the concept of microsecond. Okay. 1 second, 1 microsecond, and 11.6 days. Almost, I think this is enough. Now we move on to our next segment, which is usually termed as additional note. In additional note, the table which has been reproduced has already been mentioned in various previous modules. Okay. This is just for your guidance. I will not discuss it in detail. Next table is about prefixes. Okay. In this dear students, you can see 10 raised to the power 3 is kilo, 10 raised to the power 6 is mega. Mega and million are same. Similarly, 10 raised to the power minus 6 is micro, and 10 raised to the power minus 9 is nano. Okay. We have already explained that when a second is divided into equal 1 million parts. Each part is called a microsecond. Okay, microsecond concept is clear. Now further, if we divide a microsecond into equal 1,000 parts, then each part is called a nanosecond. And dear students, nanoscience, nanotechnology is a complete subject, discipline of science, and MSc, MPhil, PhD degrees are awarded in this field. Okay, so I think this is enough about this module. Okay.